everyone, how are you? I finally fulfilled one of my biggest housewife dreams ever. I bought a Kärcher SE 5.100 carpet cleaner, and besides cleaning carpets, it can also wash and vacuum my floors and wash and clean my furniture. And how amazing is that? I'm gonna give you a complete review of this carpet cleaner. I'm gonna show you how to assemble it, and I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. And at last, we'll see if it lives up to my expectations or not. So first, the box. It comes in this big box, and right here on the outside it tells you exactly what parts are included. However, there's no nozzle for cleaning upholstered furniture included in this version, so if you want to use it for that purpose as well, you're unfortunately gonna have to buy it separately, or you have to buy the other model called the SE 5.100 Plus. So as I didn't get the Plus model, I ended up buying this separately. You open the machine by turning these two wheels on each side, and then you can remove the top. Inside, you'll find 4 wheels, nozzles for wet and dry vacuuming, and a small sachet of Kärcher's own carpet cleaner liquid. I also bought an additional liter of this. And down here, you'll find a black container for dirty water and a white container for clean water. Then you can attach the lid again and turn the gray wheels on each side to lock it. Take the hose and attach it here. You'll hear click, and then it's attached. There's also this little tube. You simply just attach it down here. Then you have to attach both of these long tubes by turning the lever to the side in order to lock it. You attach the washing nozzle in the same way by pushing it in and turning the lever. It might feel as if these two don't really fit together, but you have to push really hard. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean my living room wool carpet. There's a link down in the description if you want to know more about this carpet. We've had it for a little over 2 years, and it hasn't been cleaned like this ever. It has a couple of stains here and there, and right here it has a pretty big stain. I don't even know how this stain got here or what it is, but I really hope this machine can remove it. It's definitely been an eyesore for some time now. So let's fill the white container with some hot water and cleaning liquid. The water should be no warmer than 50 degrees Celsius. If your carpet is very dirty, you should use hot water and about 200 milliliters of cleaning liquid. If it's only a little dirty, 100 milliliters should do, but you should still use hot water. Since this carpet isn't visibly dirty or smelly, I'll only use 100 milliliters. Be careful not to overfill the tank, so keep an eye out for the max marking right here. When you turn on the machine, the water starts spraying out of the nozzle, then you distribute the water all over the carpet and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then you push the button on the opposite side and vacuum the whole carpet until the majority of the moisture is gone and the carpet is almost dry. And now for the result. It definitely looks a lot cleaner now than before. The stains are not all gone, but they're more faint now than before. They probably should have been treated right away. So no miracles, just a clean carpet. So apart from cleaning carpets, this machine should actually be very effective at removing bad smells and odors from carpets and furniture as well. And I'm gonna test that out on a carpet that's been sitting at my dad's place for about 3 years now. Now, my dad used to be a smoker, but he quit 4 years ago, but his house still kind of smells like cigarette smoke, and so does this carpet. So we'll see how well this machine handles that. And I'm pretty excited to see whether or not the smell disappears completely, because that smell is very hard to get rid of overall. So let's see. So here's the result. The odor was pretty bad. Like if you put the carpet in a room, the whole room would immediately start smelling like that. So it was pretty bad. After cleaning it, it mostly just smells like wet wool. There's still a hint of odor left after washing it once. So it didn't do the job 100%, but it definitely removed a lot of the dirt from the carpet. The water was all black afterwards. I'll probably have to clean it on the backside to remove the smell completely, and maybe give it one more round on the upside as well to make the smell disappear completely, if that's even possible. Thankfully, the smell is mostly gone. Right now, we got the carpet stored in our laundry room on top of some cabinets, and that room doesn't smell at all like cigarettes, so definitely removed a lot of the smell, that's for sure. Okay, so last but definitely not least, I'm gonna test this machine on our couch. I'm gonna clean it and see if some of the stains disappears from it. And that also worked really nicely. The stains are not all gone, but just like the carpet, they've definitely faded compared to before. Okay, I made a last minute decision to also try out the carpet cleaner on our previous couch, which is collecting dust in our garage at the moment. We've used this couch for 1 year. Removing the cover on some couches, including this one, is impossible, so washing it in the washing machine isn't an option, and I think this product is a good alternative. It doesn't look dirty and there are no stains on it, but after cleaning it, the water is, as you can see, dark. So imagine how dirty a couch that's been used for 2 or 3 years must be. Now that I've tested this product in different ways, I'm gonna list some pros and cons for you. As mentioned, the nozzle for upholstery cleaning is not included in every version of this machine, unfortunately. So you have to get that separately. And I'm just thinking, why not just include it in every model? I really don't get it. Clicking the washing nozzle for the carpets into place the first time was kind of hard. I had to get my husband to do it. Maybe I'm just like super weak, but it was definitely easier the second time I did it. But the first time, it was kind of hard. The second time, it was still kind of hard. I'm also really missing a place to put the cord. Like on a vacuum cleaner, you can just like push that button and the cord goes into the machine. That's very nice, that's very neat. There really is no place to put the cord, it's just hanging there. It's a minor problem for sure, but it definitely would have been nice if there was a place for it. And the last one, stains and smells faded a lot, but didn't disappear completely. Most stains have to be removed right away in order for them to disappear. And really bad odors like cigarette smell can be hard to get rid of. So I just want to state that this is no miracle machine. Don't expect it to be that. You should instead expect it to be a very practical, very nice, very handy addition for your home cleaning routine. And now the pros. It's very effective at removing old dirt from carpets and upholstered furniture, and also fairly effective at removing bad odors, even though they don't disappear completely. It's less effective at removing old stains, but it's probably going to be very effective if you use it on a stain right away. That's usually how it is with stains. The vacuum is super powerful and very effective at removing pilling and fuss from woolen carpets, actually more effective than a regular vacuum cleaner. With the vacuum function, I was able to remove a lot of fuss from the carpet that I hadn't been able to get rid of using my regular vacuum cleaner. It's a super practical machine to have on hand, especially if you have kids or pets like we do. Occasionally, the kids or our cat will have an accident on one of the carpets, and it's so nice to be able to just clean that up thoroughly right away. This machine is very affordable compared to professional carpet cleaning. We had a synthetic carpet cleaned 2 years ago with pickup and delivery, and that cost us about 120 euros. This specific model costs about 300 euros depending on where you buy it and what country you live in. And then there's the extra nozzle for cleaning the upholstered furniture. That was about 30 euros. Buying a machine like this is definitely a lot cheaper in the long run. Having a carpet cleaner on hand enables you to clean your carpets, your floor, your furniture whenever you want to and whenever you need to. There's no need to rent one, pick it up, deliver it back. No need for all that. You just grab it, it's already in your home, ready to be used whenever you need it. When it comes to assembling it, apart from the nozzle being hard to attach, everything else was very easy. The manual is also very detailed and precise and told me everything that I needed to know. And the last pro in my book is that it can also be used to clean the seats in your car and the mats in your car instead of having it done professionally, and that will ultimately also end up saving you a lot of money. Overall, I think this is a great product. It lives up to my expectations, and I'm so glad that I finally bought one. You can find links to all of the products that I've shown in this video right down below in the description. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interior and lifestyle content and more reviews. And I will have a new video for you again very soon.